Hello everyone, welcome back to BIMMERHEAD. In this video I'm gonna show you how to change the headliner in your BMW. It's very similar process for most cars. In this case we are working on a BMW 1 Series. To start, you have to remove the handles. They only have 2 screws each. To remove the B-pillar trim, you have to start from the bottom and work your way up. There's only plastic tabs holding them in place. Some of them will break, so it would be a great idea to have replacements ready. A plastic removal toolkit would come in handy for sure on this job, but we didn't have one, so screwdriver it is. Now it's time to disconnect the seat belt. There's only one bolt holding it in place. The A-pillar has only one screw hidden behind the airbag plastic cap, which can be easily removed with a very thin screwdriver or the tip of a knife. Also make sure you pull upwards to remove. Sun visors are held in place by 3 screws. One of them is hidden but easy to remove. The C-pillar trim is the same as the A-pillar trim, just one screw behind the plastic airbag cap and some plastic tabs underneath. In this case we are working on a hatchback, so it's easy to remove it this way. With a limousine-shaped car it might be necessary to remove one of the front seats as well, so you can pull it through the door. As usual, now it's the perfect time to do some cleaning before installing everything back in the car. To make sure you have it in the right spot, align the bolts for the handles first, and then everything else will be just right. Pull the rubber seal all around to have the headliner held in place. Now it's just the reverse process and you're all done. It makes a huge difference to have it in black, don't you think? That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.